David Licao update. In-interview nga si David just sa event about sa upcoming project niya at kay Barbie Fortesa. And ito yung video.
Yeah. Ano yung mga abangan na lang sa'yo, David?
I think we have a series. Diva.
Hindi pa nga GMA daw.
We're great friends.
Pero okay kayo ni Barbie, as
Kami.
friends. Kasi parang there was a time na na-issue na parang nagkaroon kayo ng tampuhan, hindi kayo nagpansinan sa isang event.
Kailan yun?
Last year, parang launching ng resto ni Alden.
Sa McDo. Hindi naman, nagpansinan naman kami. I think, nahiya lang ako kasi na-late ako lang. Nahiya lang ako, kaya hindi ako nakapag. Hi masyado.
David, nakilala na ni Barbie, yung girl na dinidate.
Ano daw?
Yung personal preference mo, yung private, yung personal life, ayaw mong pinag-uusapan.
Oh, I choose not to talk about it. But this is what you get.
Sagot ni David.
Joke lang. It's really rewarding for me professionally. Again, like looking back nga, I started in the industry na hindi ko alam kung kaya kong mag-acting, hindi ko kaya kong magnegosyo, hindi ko alam kung kaya kong gumawa ng something, di ba? Pero na-validate siya na if you put in the work, if you know your goal and you put in the work, stay consistent, discipline, ma-reach mo yung goal. Diba? And sa personal naman, I feel like I'm more stable now, I'm more relaxed, hopefully nicer now to people kasi mahihain ako dati. Mahihain pa rin naman now, pero I feel like really natuto na akong maging medyo mas out there, you know, kasi I'm here, I'm in showbiz eh. Kaya I'll go down. So,
Ito natin.
Siyempre, Pedro Water Days pa, they made me back in 2016. Nung wala pa akong na-achieve, trying my luck pa lang in showbiz. Diba? So for them to believe in me at that time, 2016, at that time, hindi pa ako marunong mag-photoshoot eh. Hindi ko alam paano mag-pose. Tapos nag-arrange sila ng photoshoot for me, nagkaroon ako ng standee. So parang feeling ko that time, I made it eh, diba? So syempre, grateful ako sa Blue Water Days pa. And yung to answer your question, syempre mas gusto ko yung mga brands na ginagawa ko talaga. Kasi ako mahilig ako mag-workout. So after, nagpapa-massage talaga ako. So din yung pagpili natin ng endorsement.
Thank you, David.
Thank you so much.
Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell for my update. This is Richard Action Live. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.